Ready to start trading, but not sure where to begin? Here's how you can start and succeed. Welcome to Finance Simplified with Siva. In this video, you'll learn the essentials of starting your trading journey across various markets, including Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. We'll cover the basics, provide valuable insights, and help you understand the world of trading. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Think trading is a quick way to make money? Think again. Trading should be approached as a skill to master over time, not as a way to make quick profits. It's important to focus on learning and developing your trading skills, much like any professional field. Avoid treating trading like gambling or a quick income source. Understand that successful trading requires patience and discipline. Avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions. Commit to continuous learning. Read books, take courses, and follow market news to stay informed. Always prioritize risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Be aware that over 90% of traders fail in their first year. This statistic highlights the importance of education, practice, and a solid trading plan. Learn from mistakes and continuously improve your strategies. What's your biggest challenge in maintaining a learning mindset? Let us know in the comments. Setting up your trading account is easier than you think. A trading account is essential for trading. Choose a reputable broker that suits your needs, whether you're trading Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. Complete the necessary paperwork and verification processes, and fund your account with an amount you're comfortable risking. Research and compare brokers based on fees, platform usability, and customer support. Understand the different types of accounts available, such as standard, mini, and micro accounts for Forex trading, or cash and margin accounts for stock trading. Be prepared to provide identification documents and proof of address for account verification. And don't worry, I'll provide links to some of my favorite brokerage accounts in the pinned comment and description below, so be sure to check them out. Want to stay focused in the market? Here's how to create a watch list. Building a focused watch list of high-volume assets from different sectors is crucial. This helps you stay organized and focused on a manageable number of assets. Start by selecting assets that have high trading volumes and are from various sectors to diversify your watch list. Choose assets based on trading volume, volatility, and market trends. For example, in Forex, you might include major currency pairs like Euro to US dollar and Pound sterling to US dollar. Ensure your watch list includes a mix of assets from different sectors to spread risk. For stocks, this might mean including tech, healthcare, and energy stocks. Regularly update your watch list based on market conditions and your trading strategy. Practice makes men perfect, even in trading. Before investing real money, engage in paper trading to test your strategies in live market conditions without risking actual funds. This allows you to practice and understand the market without financial losses. Use a demo account provided by your broker to simulate real trading. Use platforms like TradingView, Thinkorswim, or MetaTrader for paper trading. Practice placing trades, setting stop-loss and take-profit levels, and managing positions as if you were trading with real money. Regularly review your paper trading performance to identify strengths and areas for improvement. The biggest question every new trader faces: how much capital do you need? One of the most common questions new traders have is about the amount of capital needed to start trading. The key is to start with a small amount that you can afford to lose without impacting your financial stability. This approach minimizes risk while you learn and gain experience. Begin with a small amount of capital to minimize risk while you learn. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital and set realistic profit targets. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your trading capital. How much capital are you planning to start with? To recap, we covered the basics of trading: setting up your account, learning strategies, practicing with a demo account, and the importance of continuous learning. If you like this video and want to dive deeper into trading, check out our video on Futures and Options Explained, Complete Beginner's Guide to Trading. It's packed with valuable insights to help you understand and succeed in the world of futures and options trading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us reach more people who might benefit from this content. What topic would you like us to cover next time? Drop your suggestions in the comments below.